Hi, I'm Tatiana. Welcome to the real talk from inside the fashion world. Today, I'm gonna diving into something that so many people dream about but have no idea where to start. I just had a consultation with my client who is starting a small capsule collection, and I decided to put all my thoughts together in this video. Okay, here it is. I'm in Izmir in Turkey, and running from one coffee place to another to find a good spot. Okay, how to start your collection having no investors, no big team, just you and your ideas. And so, if you ever sat with a sketchbook in one hand and a Pinterest board in another, and wondering, okay, what now? So this episode is for you. We're going to break it down step by step and the real talk, and by the end of the video you will know exactly what to do first, second and third. So let's get into it. Number one is prepare a mood board that speaks to you. So look, every good collection starts with a vibe, with the feelings people want to buy. And you don't need a fashion degree to build this, just your taste and your vision and your values. Hop on Pinterest, Instagram, even go through your camera roll, collect images, fabric, color scheme, silhouettes. Maybe you are into some dreamy coastal aesthetic, or you need something structured, urban, city life. So this step isn't fluff, but it will shape the tone of your brand. To the listeners, what is the only one look that makes you feel completely yourself? That is your starting point. So step 2 is research your competitors, but smartly. Now this is where most people get lost. You don't need stalkering fashion collections, fashion brands. You just need answer 3 questions. Who is selling similar like your ideas? What's working on them? Where is the gaps? Go look at their bestsellers. Check the price points. Read customers' reviews. What do people like about this brand? What are they complaining about? So you are not copying, you are making strategically positioning of your brand. 3, finalize your designs. So you need to pick 3-5 items you're going to have in your capsule collections. You can sketch them by yourself, or you can ask professionals to do it. You can hire people from Upwork, for example, like me. And anyway, you will need technical packages for this stage. Okay, what is technical package? Technical package, it's a blueprint, it's a document all manufacturers needed to produce your items. It should contain bill of materials, size chart, the measurements for the sample and sample creation, and sewing and construction, specifications, color schemes, bills of materials, hangs and care label tags. So everything that manufacturer needs to produce the item you need, how you picture it in your head. Step number 4, fabrics. Don't guess, just touch it. Find. Here is a lot of people mess up with. They ordering samples online, and when they got their swatches, it may look not the way they think. The color tone can be different. It can like wrinkles like crazy, or when you touch it, it's like a paper. So if you go in with a small collection, find a local supplier. Come in person, touch it, see how it drapes. Be sure this is the exactly tone you need. So the more you are involved on this stage, the smoother the process will be. Bonus, you will build a relationship with the supplier. You can ask questions and maybe get some tips from them. Step number 5, the most painful, the samples. It takes time. I'm going to be real with you. You should find the local sample maker, bring your technical packages, the fabric, and you are producing the first sample, one size of each item of your collection, to see how the sewing patterns are made. Does the sample, the prototype, fits on a model exactly the way you have it in your head, like you picture it? It takes rounds, so there can be some adjustments, editing and after correction. Again, you produce the sample, you see how it fits. Usually it takes 2-3 rounds if you're lucky, but 5 is normal too for production process. But by the end, you will have the perfect samples for your collection. Well, it's a part of a process. So here, where lots of people lose their patience, but this is the sport where your collection become real. Number 6, brand your baby. So you have a samples of your collection now, and you need to present it to the world. So organize a photo shoot collection. Plan a photo shoot. No big budget, just find a good photographer, confident model to show your pieces to the world. Can go a long way. So build your Instagram or website. You can start teasing your pieces and showing behind the scenes. Don't just sell clothes, you sell the story. People want to buy aesthetic, the feeling. Actually, people want to buy you, your values, your world, your vibe. Step number 7, the final production. Keep it real. If you're going to manufacture in bulk and working with Asian big factories, you should have a large minimum. It's not startup friendly. So maybe for the first year, you need to find local manufacturer to produce small amounts of your collection, and maybe next year or next season, when you become confident and growing fast, you can. So I would recommend sticking local for your first round. Small production run, less risks. And if you're going direct to consumer, especially online, you can totally drop a mini collection and build hype that way. Think capsule drop, not department store launch. So real talk, the timing matters. For example, if you are watching this in spring and you're planning about summer collection, you are late. But you can totally do a summer August drop, for example, resort collection or transitional pieces people can wear late summer heat or take on a vacation. Otherwise, aim for fall. People love dressing up in fall, more layering, more fashion, more room to build something thoughtful. Launching a collection from zero is a challenge, but it's doable. Start small, start smart, talk with the makers, and trust your eye. You have a vision and you should build it. Good luck, and thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, and share with your friends who is always sketching in the notebooks. We all know these people. Hey, I would like to hear your thoughts. Direct me messages, show your collections. Let's build something amazing together.